So what I love about this baby EXO kettle is it's so easy to use and it keeps the formula ready temperature. So you don't need to wake up in the middle of the night mixing hot and cold water, worrying about if your baby has the right temperature, if the baby has too cold, too hot, So this is just such a perfect product for all the moms. And I think all the moms deserve this.
You can boil to sterilize. So if you put tap water and you want to get rid of your chlorine in the water, then you press that and it's going to be boiling in 5 minutes. It's very quick.